Well, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Today is Friday, February 27th, the day after Kristen and my 20-year wedding anniversary. We just got off of a ship today. We were on the Disney Wish, and Salem and I made the decision to come over to Hollywood Studios tonight because we have approximately 3 days remaining, not even 3 complete days, today, Saturday, and Sunday, to ride Rock and Roller Coaster before it is no more. So we have one plan, and that's to go inside and ride Rock and Roller Coaster. So like most evenings, one of my favorite things about coming to the park is how many people are exiting as we are walking in, but there's 2 reasons why people are leaving. It's getting late, and it's raining. I'm under an umbrella, as you can see a lot of other people are too. It's one of those Florida rains where it's just raining just enough to be irritating. This is Kristen's least favorite weather, where it's just a constant small drip. So we're making a right here at Sunset Boulevard to head down. We did notice that it was, what was it, a 75-minute wait?
It was a few minutes ago, yeah.
75 minutes, so hoping that with as many people are walking out that there's a good chance that that time has gone down, but I think tonight's our best chance to actually get on it, because tomorrow and Sunday, what we noticed when the rides closed, like most recently with the dinosaur ride at Animal Kingdom, man, it was over a 2-hour wait. At one point, I think we saw that it was like 280 minutes for dinosaur.
Oh my god, I don't know. Probably.
On the final day, which is absurd, but a lot of people got to get in their final ride. We are not going to be coming back to this park to make that happen. In fact, we're going to be heading over to Universal Studios on Sunday because we haven't been there in a really long time. But we got to get in our last ride, hence why we're here tonight. I've already said that. You knew that. That's not new news to you. This will be one of the last times we see this. The entrance. G-Force Records presents Rock and Roller Coaster Aerosmith, of course. The final limited hours is coming to an end. Seeing the roller coaster that extends from the headstock of the guitar. Oh my gosh, yeah, people are waiting outside.
One last time.
There it is, it's gonna be wild. It says 75, so that's what we saw. We'll use that. Ah, this is a sad moment. Of course, we'll have to, the exit is the rock around the shop, so we gotta go in there, but it's coming to an end. I ever noticed that kid sitting in the middle? He's not old enough to go on that. Have you ever noticed that? The kid that's sitting in the middle in the front seat?
Yeah, there's no way he saw it. That's like corporate.
Yeah, wait, what? Who is that? Never noticed that. All right. This is the first time I've ever seen this line actually extended outside of the standard queue, so make it happen. I never noticed the keys down on the bottom. I mean, I'm not a real fan.
I just had to walk right past it.
Yeah. There it is. Rock and Roller Coaster Starring Aerosmith. Oh. I don't know, with the Hollywood Tower of Terror staring down Rock and Roller Coaster, what's this going to be like when it's chock full of Muppets? I don't know. How are you feeling about that? I've said my piece in the past. I don't like it.
If I stand from here and and I listen to rock and roll music while looking at Tower of Terror, that's cool. If I listen to Muppets, I don't know if that's cool. Oh, it's funny.
Totally fair.
Na, 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 na.
Yeah, I'm interested to see how this goes. Josh, tomorrow you better pull through, buddy, because how do you feel about it? Rock and Roller Coaster going from Aerosmith to the Muppets? Love to know your thoughts. Made it inside. The line's been moving pretty good. It's been about 30 minutes so far. We think we got in line about 7:15, so not too bad. I don't think I've ever picked up on this guitar. I'm starting to, I just want to make sure I capture everything here, guys. They're already pimping out the Muppets?
That's what I'm
Get
talking
out of here. I'm upset about this. It's the artist entrance. G-Force Records out of Hollywood, California. I honestly don't recall if we've ever stepped into this room and looked around, maybe walked through
I
it.
think we, just beeline through here.
Yeah. So cool. They've got all 6-track mixer console, all kinds of stuff in here. And apparently this all belonged to them. This was their stuff. That old reel-to-reel, man. Very cool. So you just went and touched the dirty door?
Yeah, because it's marbles. They're like loose in there. They'll move if you run your hand along them. And everyone touches them. And I saw someone post a TikTok about it. And someone in the comments was like, I worked there for years. They never clean those doors.
Gross. All right. Oh, man. It's going to be sad walking in here and not seeing them. No, it's so sad. I know. Oh. It's where the pre-show used to be. No longer exists. So sad.
Attention in Rock and Roller Coaster. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Please remain seated.
It's a bad decision to get rid of this. Well, let's go! Feeling a sort of way about this one. This is probably how Mommy felt about Dinosaur. So sad.
This is double pain.
This is double pain for you?
You're just wanting to kill me. I know you're fine.
because we're getting ready to rock on this exclusive live broadcast. Yo, we're just getting started!
Sad it's going away. Well, guys, it's coming to an end. Less than 72 hours remain. And then this ride closes. And we get the Muppets? Let me guess, Kathleen Kennedy told you to do that? Oh, come on. That's hilarious. All right. I'm sad. I don't have a lot of words, guys. I don't have a lot to express. This is like the first real roller coaster that the most intense roller coaster on Disney property. What are you looking for?
There's a rock and roller coaster keychain.
Not within here? Not here?
They had them by the cash. It was like Mickey Mouse shredding.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Huh. Smart to get something because you won't be able to unless you buy it on eBay. It's going away. Yeah, I don't see him, Salem.
It's okay.
Well,
I'm glad we got to do it one more time.
me too.
I've tried not to cry.
It's sad.
Yeah, it was very nice to see him.
What?
The keychain version of this poster.
Oh, was that one? We might be able to find one on eBay for you
Yeah.
before they become too difficult to find. Yeah. No, it's like
Like a
anything
traditional.
but. Yeah.
They don't have enough merch.
All right. It's the last walk through the brick cavern. Oh. All right, it's sad. It is exciting when Disney does do new things. But this is one of those moments where you're like, are you sure?
We're making a mistake. We gotta get this.
Yeah, are you sure you want to date this guy? Because he seems like a total loser. And that is how I feel about the Muppets coming. R.I.P. Aerosmith. Super bummed. Before we know it, these doors These doors will be shutting for an extended period of time. And the gentleman that is in the window at the front of Hollywood Tower of Terror will be standing there with his arms crossed because he'll be upset that it is gone. But So I'm going to share something with you guys really quick. Vlogging, there's two things about vlogging. Oftentimes, I'm not experiencing the moment in real time because I'm watching the lens. There's a lot of times we go out and I tell Kristen, I wish I didn't vlog that. I could have appreciated it more. But there are moments like this where I will come back and watch this over and over again because this is going to cease to exist. And very grateful to have a channel, to have all of this content that I've collected over the years to share with you guys, but also to watch myself. Yeah. One last look. Well, I'd like to say until tomorrow, but soon enough tomorrow is not going to come for Rock and Roller Coaster. That's terrible. That's an awful ending. But it is indeed an ending. So, until tomorrow.